My name is Martin Radcliffe and I'm Chief Executive Officer here at Adelaide Venue Management. Adelaide Venue Management, or AVM as we call it, proudly operates three of Adelaide's most iconic venues: Adelaide Convention Centre, Adelaide Entertainment Centre and Coopers Stadium. With each of our venues located in vibrant Adelaide, our role is to attract and to host world-class conventions, conferences, exhibitions, concerts, sporting events and much more. We are really proud of our highly diverse workforce with over 65 nationalities represented, including many international students. Students bring a great deal with their experiences, with their outlook, with their flexibility. We also have a great deal to offer them in terms of career development, excellent working conditions, and obviously importantly, competitive pay. For this reason, we've built a close partnership with StudyAdelaide, a partnership which we'll really enjoy.
I actually found out AVM through the StudyAdelaide job shop website, and then they connected me with the AVM team. It was really easy and straightforward, and I love it.
The most interesting part about working at the AVM is meeting new people. While working at the AVM, you get to meet the industrial persons who are at a really good level.
The work environment is friendly, professional and team-oriented. Everyone is respectful and available to help. I love working here.
This is an industry that's fun, that's energetic, that's vibrant and is a really good place to be. So our message to you is we can't wait to welcome you to Adelaide. We're looking for positive, outward-thinking, creative and versatile people who have a willingness to learn and a passion for the events and entertainment industry and a drive to give us 100% in the short and long term. There's currently a range of rewarding jobs here at Adelaide Venue Management and you can apply before you come to Adelaide. We look forward to talking to you.